Yes, students, next topic we are going to see is about different electrical circuits. Okay, so how we connect with the battery to other devices. Based on that, it is of two types of circuits. They are series circuit and parallel circuit. So what is the difference in the series and parallel is, along with the battery, this two lights are connected along, okay, in a same line like this. Okay, that forms a series circuit. See here, this is a key and this is a battery. So along with this, I told you a long line and the short line, which represents a cell. Okay, so which from this cell we are connecting to a key. This is open like this. Okay, this is a switch. Okay, and from this we are connecting to a bulb. So bulb can be connected just said in this way also, or like this. Okay, so two bulb, so all this are connected from the same line, along the same line it has been connected, and so that forms a series circuit. Next is in the parallel, it is connected next to next. Okay, so like this. Okay, so one light, okay, then one light, then next is battery or the cell. Here is the key and here we have the battery like this. Okay, so it has been connected in this way. So in this too, if we see here, the current will be same because from this it is flowing along all the direction, so current will be same. But here the current will not be same. Okay, current will not be same, but what will be same is potential difference will be same. Okay, in this circuit. Clear? So we'll just see with this series and parallel circuit. First we have with the series circuit. In series circuit, the components are connected one after another in a single loop. Okay, so this is a single loop. Along the single loop, the components are connected one after the another. Okay, next is in series circuit, there is only one pathway, so the current can flow only along one way. Okay, only one pathway. Yes, and so we can say that current remains the same. Okay, so I remains same for the series circuit, and that is in the series circuit, current at each point is a same. Yes, clear with what is a series circuit. Next we have the parallel circuit. In parallel circuits, the components are connected to the EMF of the source in two or more loops. Okay, so if this is a component which we are connecting, so it is being connected to the source. Source is what? The cell. Okay, we are connecting through what? Two or more loops. Okay, so we are forming loop like this, then only it is being joined. Okay, then second point is, in parallel circuit there is more than one path. Okay, so current can flow from this path to this. So this is one path, again this is one path, so this is one path, so it can move away to more than one path. So more than one path என்றதுனால என்ன சொல்லலாம், current is not same. Okay, so we can say that the sum of the individual current in each parallel branches is equal to the main current. Okay, suppose you consider the current through this to be I1. Okay, current through the next one to be I2, then the total current, that is the main current, that is equal to what? Sum of the individual current. So we can write this as I1 plus I2. Okay, so the total current is equal to the sum of the individual current. In parallel circuit, what is same? The potential is same. Okay, in series circuit, what is same? I is same. Okay, current is same. In parallel circuit, what is same? Potential difference V is said to be same. Clear with series and parallel circuits? Okay, thank you.